The unprecedented wage hike given by auto companies to their workers recently has got component makers worried. Auto component makers say this is adversely impacting worker management relations at their plants, and this is likely to hit their competence in global markets as well. Sumit Chaturvedi with the detailed report.
After the Manesar mess, Maruti Suzuki gave 50% wage hike to its workers last year. And two-wheeler makers like Honda Motorcycle and Scooters India have been forced to follow suit. But now component makers say workers at their plants are also expecting similar wage hikes, which in turn is creating trouble for these smaller auto component companies.
So we resolve, but once the OEM gives this kind of an increase, so it is understood it's going to affect slowly all over the country. So the net impact can be tomorrow if it doesn't come into the control.
Facing slowdown in Motown, more and more auto companies are rationalizing their production, affecting manufacturing at component makers' plants as well. The Indian auto component sector grew by 15.7% in the fiscal 2011-12. But the growth will moderate to 8 to 10% in the ongoing fiscal. The slowdown is impacting expansion plans of component makers.
We are facing challenges. Our exports are down, primarily from the triad markets. We were exporting nearly 30%, and that is down to literally we have lost the exports.
Now component makers are forced that costly labor is impacting the competency of Indian auto component companies, especially when markets in Europe are still not out of recession. Karthik Malhotra and Sumit Chaturvedi, ET Now, New Delhi.